the news, the South African AGRI-INITIATIVE SAI this week announced a groundbreaking strategic partnership with C5 Capital, an investment firm specializing in advanced nuclear energy solutions. The deal is described as a significant milestone, not only in the energy sector, but also for agriculture. Central to this initiative is a strategy that encompasses the long-term integration of advanced nuclear energy generation within South African agriculture. According to Francois Rousseau, CEO of SAI, farmers are currently unable to compete in terms of profitability and sustainability due to load shedding. This project aims to ensure a consistent power supply to the agricultural sector. According to Dr. Calvin Kim, a nuclear physicist and chairperson at Stratec Global, these reactors will enable producers to have their own independent grid, as it does not have to connect to the national electricity supply. Plaas TV spoke to Kim during the launch.
We have developed a small modular reactor called the HCMR100, which we are now ready to build. I'm pleased to say that we've got a number of large companies internationally that have shown interest in funding this operation, one being C5 Capital based in Washington, D.C. and in London. Another one is Koya Capital based in a European city. And the third is a South African grouping that has international contacts into the UK, and there are others. The idea is that this reactor can be placed anywhere. It works with helium gas as the coolant. It does not need the ocean like a big reactor such as Kuiper does. So these reactors can be put anywhere you like. We are currently having discussions with the Limpopo government. They have asked if they can place 8 reactors in Limpopo province, and that is perfectly feasible.
And that was Dr. Calvin Kim. A newly formed Red Meat Commodity Association is calling for transformation in the industry. The call was made by AGRI-INITIATIVE, the national chairperson of the National Emerging Red Meat Producers Organization, or NERPO. Mahanyana spoke during the recent launch of the National Livestock Farmers Association of South Africa, or NELFA SA, which replaces NERPO. This comes after NERPO decided to make fundamental changes to its brand by introducing a new name, logo, strategy, and leadership. The change and rebranding comes with a new mandate of facilitating transformation within the entire red meat value chain. This will entail remobilizing black livestock farmers in South Africa and linking them with both local, national and international markets. Brenda Maronganye was appointed as the national chairperson of NELFA SA. And Free State authorities recently reported a new foot and mouth disease outbreak. The case is still being epidemiologically investigated to determine the origin and possible spread of the virus. According to the latest FMD outbreak report of the Directorate of Animal Health at the Department of Agriculture, Land Reform and Rural Development, the outbreak is currently limited to one commercial farm situated in the Frankfurt area in the Free State. Cattle exhibited mouth lesions consistent with FMD during a health declaration inspection by a private veterinarian. Samples were collected and dispatched to the Agricultural Research Council's Onderstepoort Veterinary Research Campus for analysis. The serological tests yielded positive results for both specific and non-specific foot and mouth disease proteins. The South African Territory's serotype results are still pending. Die navorsers van die Hans Merensky leerstoel in gevorderde modellering van bloekomhoutproduksie aan die Universiteit Stellenbosch kan hul werk oor bloekombome na die volgende vlak neem danksy finansiering van bykans R20 miljoen oor 'n 5-jaar tydperk. Die program wat by die Universiteitsdepartement Bos en Houtkunde gesetel is, en onder leiding van professor Dave Drew staan, het onlangs 'n toekenning van meer as 17 miljoen rand van die Hans Merensky Erfenisstigting ontvang. Daarbenewens het die program ook 'n 2,7 miljoen rand bydra van die Departement van Wetenskap en Innovasie se sektor innovatiefonds ontvang. Volgens Drew bied hierdie bydraes 'n wye reeks nuwe moontlikhede. Hier is hy met meer.
What many people may not know is that eucalypts are quite fascinating. They are the world's largest flowering trees and also an important backbone of our country's sustainable forest products industry. Through our Euxilo program, we contribute important basic and applied research to understand key questions faced by our industry, while we also train a new generation of biological and forest scientists for South Africa. We are grateful to the Hans Merensky Legacy Foundation and Forestry South Africa for this investment in our program. It opens up a wide range of new possibilities to explore several new frontiers in forest science research. Thanks to this financial support, we are establishing a 10-hectare research facility at Lawrenceford near Somerset West that will be open to scientists and students and schools and even the public who may be interested in plantation forest ecology, how trees and eucalypts in particular grow and form their wood, and the process of producing sustainable wood and fiber products.
En so sê professor Drew. En 'n bietjie verligting is in sig wat die huidige droogte en hoë temperature in groot dele van die land betref. Hier is Johan van der Berg met meer.
Ja, ek dink ons het, soos ons nou almal weet, hierdie laaste 2 maande was dit maar 'n erge periode geweest. Maar dit lyk tog of hier verandering besig is om plaas te vind. Die tropiese storms en laagdrukstelsels in die westelike Indiese Oseaan begin tog 'n bietjie swakker word. Alhoewel daar nog steeds is hulle bietjie verder noord en oos van Madagaskar. En dit laat toe dat daar so 'n bietjie tropiese vog, en ek sê bietjie is nog nie groot hoeveelhede en algemene reën nie, maar oor Namibië en Botswana begin afbeweeg. So dit lyk veral asof daar redelike erge baie stormagtige toestande en haal moontlik is vir die volgende klompie dae en ook volgende week. So redelike stormagtige toestande wat 'n mens kan verwag met hierdie geweldige hitte, met die opbou van energie. So dit is moontlik. En die gebiede wat hoofsaaklik behoort reën te kry, is natuurlik Noordwes, Vrystaat, Mpumalanga, Gauteng, die suidelike dele van Limpopo, en ook die dele van die Oos-Kaap, wat ook tans uiters droog is. So dit lyk tog asof die binneland van die Oos-Kaap, hier van Kraddock afwaarts, Jansenwil en die dele, daarom ook so 10 na 20 mm gaan kry.
Dis dan Johan van der Berg met ons weer nuus en ook die einde van vandag se nuus.